What's going on? Just watching some strange things on the internet. Oh, hello.
Is it
What?
going well?
You know, sometimes Ashley snores too. Sometimes she saw some logs and she's like, she cuddles up next to me too, man. She like gets real close and she just like clings on. And then I hear, and it's just like, it's very rare, but sometimes she just, like, she snores, man. And I'm just like, do I just wake her up? You know, like, she's not gonna stop snoring. Do I just deal with it, or I don't know what I do at this point.